Vanakkam, Namaskaram, good morning, a very, very warm welcome to all of you. We start the day's proceedings with an invocation to the Almighty for all of us to be successful in this endeavor. Request Swamijis to come and start the invocation.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Yaschandasam Rishabho Vishwarupaha Chandobhyodhyamritaat Sambabhuva Samendro Medhaya Aspranoto Amritasya Devadharano Bhuyasam Shariram Me Vicharshanam Jikhva Me Madhumattama Karna Abhyam Bhuri Vishruvam Brahmana Koshosi Medhaya Pihitaha Shrutam Me Gopaya Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Medha Devi Jushamanana Agad Vishwachi Bhadra Sumanasya Mana Tvaya Jushtanudamana Duruktaan Brihadvadema Vidate Suviraha Tvaya Jushta Rishirбhavati Devi Tvaya Brahma Gata Shri Rutatvaya Tvaya Jushtas Chitram Vindate Vasusano Jushasvadra Vinona Medhe Medham Indro Dadhatu Medham Devi Saraswati Medham Me Ashvina Vubhava Dhattam Pushkarasraja Apsarasu Chaya Medha Gandharveshu Chayanmanaha Daivim Medha Saraswati Samam Medha Surabhirjushatag Swaha Amam Medha Surabhir Vishwarupa Hiranyavarna Jagati Jagamya Urjaswati Payasa Pinvamana Samam Medha Supratika Jushantam Mayi Medham Mayi Prajam Mayi Agnistejo Dadhatu Mayi Medham Mayi Prajam Mayi Indra Indriyan Dadhatu Mayi Medham Mayi Prajam Mayi Surbhyo Bhrajo Dadhatu Om Hamsa Hamsaya Vidmahe Paramahamsaya Dhimahi Tanno Hamsah Prachodayat Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.
Thank you, Swamiji. On that auspicious note, we start a very, very interesting program today. It's all about you. It's all about empowering yourselves. It's all about empowering the youth around you. It's all about empowering ourselves to be able to manage youth so that they can be more productive, more effective in their endeavors, in their dharmic endeavors. Ultimately, when you look around and ask yourself deep in your hearts, you have deep civilizational roots. It goes much beyond the 1,000, 2,000 years or 3,000 years of history that we have in this part of the world. It is so deep that it's time we try to take that heritage, understand it, use it to our advantage to further the civilizational cause that our forefathers had, say, 5,000 years back, 8,000 years back. Many of you may not even know about this. This is a small endeavor of trying to get together on the same platform experts, people who are practicing neurosciences, who are on the forefront of the advances of neurosciences, people who have been mentoring students, people who have been channelizing the energies of the students and are known to the rest of the world as youth leaders. And finally, people who have dedicated their lives for the cause of transformation such that they are seen as role models for others. They have put in efforts into the sadhana of yoga and Vedanta such that we all look forward to getting the benefits of it. So this is the platform for it. It's a workshop of all the speakers who have come here, a conclave for all of us. It's a very intense tapasya. Why is it so? In this modern world where we are all so much addicted to the social media, where we just do not know that we cannot exist without a mobile in the hand perhaps, in that kind of a world, we invite you to do what? To sit through this yajna of 15 speakers sharing their thoughts, 20 minutes each, perhaps 18 minutes each, and for you all to observe, which means you have to really pull yourself and take the best takeaways from here, right? On that note, I'd like to welcome all of you and request Group Captain Vijay Kumar to welcome all of us.
Morning, Pranam. Thank you, Mohan. It's indeed my proud privilege to be part of this great event. When Mr. Mohan spoke to me, I didn't even hesitate a moment to say, yes, MMA will be part of this journey of your empowering the youth, because we firmly believe, MMA, you all know, more than 63 years old, with more than 8,000 members. The predominant numbers of MMA are the youth, and we do quite a bit of work. In fact, next week we are doing a Emerging Management Challenges program for the MBA students. We've got 1,500 students attending this event at Kamaraj Arangam. So when we got opportunity, it was a great thing, and let me have the privilege of welcome Srimad Swami Gautamananda ji. In fact, Swami, it's a great honor, privilege. You are stepping into this building. I'm quite sure it'll go from strength to strength. Very warm welcome to you today. And I still remember the fond memory when we did the air show in Chennai. I met you. The support what we gave us at that time in 2004, that made the air show one of the memorable air show what we could do in Chennai. And Swami Atmapriyananda ji, welcome back again. Your talk yesterday set the tone for many of the things which is going to happen today, and we got excellent feedback from the viewers who watch this program from all over the world, because your talk was webcast live. It's a pleasure to have you with us, and other dignitaries and number of speakers who are here today. I'm sure Mohan is, as he rightly put, I used to have a lot of discussion with him. He said 20 minutes, 20 speakers. I don't think the mind, the amygdala doesn't work that way actually. And I know how are you going to manage. He said, no, our people are very good. He's going to be there. And it's a pleasure to welcome each one of you on behalf of MMA and his managing committee. And feel free at home, and you'll be looking forward to more such event in MMA, because that's why the building was made, got inaugurated by the Vice President just about 4 months back. And we do some 650 events in a year. And we are a charitable organization. We made this building only from charities, generous contribution under CSR from the corporate world. So it's your building and your endeavor, and we'll be more than happy to each one of you to connect with MMA and take forward initiative, whatever you believe in. And if it's in sync with the objective of MMA, we'll be delighted to connect with you and take it forward. Have a great time in MMA today, and it's a pleasure. And I can again place on record, we are indeed privileged and blessed by the presence of so many Swamijis in the hall today, so many eminent scientists. And maybe I think it's the first event in MMA where I find so many people who are intellectuals coming and sharing the platform and sharing the thing. I'm quite sure it's going to add a lot of value. Once again, thanks to Mohan for choosing MMA to do this event. We are indeed privileged and honored by your thing. Thank you once again. Have a great day.
Thank you, Group Captain Vijay Kumar. MMA is our event partner for this event. No program starts without the blessings from above. So, on a very auspicious note, may I humbly request Pujya Srimad Swami Gautamanji Maharaj, Pujya Srimad Swami Atmapriyanji Maharaj, Professor R. Lakshmi Narasimhan, and Vijay Kumar to come over and light the lamp and inaugurate the program.